Welcome to the ISE Barcelona, the annual tech show for the systems integration and audio-visual industry. So let's find out what's happening in 2026. So we're here in Hall 7 at the ISE 2026. This is where all of the audio technology is displayed. And of course, we see DPA Microphones and Bo Brink. It is lovely to see you again, back this year.
Lovely to see you again. Thank you for coming here.
So what's happening in your world this year?
Well, we are launching microphones and we are launching a wireless system. Last year we launched the N series and we are actually shipping it now all over the world. It's a fantastic system. We have one receiver that covers the entire world and we have four different types of transmitters. The great advantage is, of course, that you can travel with your receiver. You don't have to have different receivers depending on which country you are in. You can always find a band. We have wide band, so we cover all frequencies, no matter where you come.
And as you say, you launched that last year.
Yes.
You're shipping this now.
Yes, we're shipping.
And has the demand been great?
It's been good.
Yeah.
Yes. The request for demoing it is really good, and that's what it's all about. It's about listening to it because we have a supreme audio quality on these, fantastic range, and really nice user interface. So yeah.
I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Core Plus as well. So
Yes.
a few years back, anti-distortion was big for you. You developed this product. How is that going?
Well, anti-distortion is always big for us because that's distortion of the sound is not good for anyone. But with the Core Plus, we are having we now have microphones that are not adding distortion to the initial stage of the sound, which is the microphone. The Core Plus is now also introduced to the 4097, which is our plant mic or our choir mic, if you like. We use this on belt packs, typically, as a plant mic in film. You mount it here, you put it in the sun visor in the car, and you can do recordings of the dialogue without having to worry about the scratch noise or anything with your used laps. And we all know that the voice sounds best from above. So.
And are you able to know then what movies this is hidden in the visor in?
Ooh, many. Maybe I wouldn't say all the big ones, but close to. It's very common.
And again, the demand for this is great as well.
It is overwhelming, yes.
Okay. And what are you moving towards then? What's next trends-wise for you?
Well, of course, lowering distortion on all parameters, or not introducing distortion on all parameters is trending. The higher quality we have in the initial stage, the better quality is also on the next stages. So you would probably see more products from us with the distortion-free approach.
And Bo, how important is the ISE for you? Why do you come here?
Well, it is the biggest show in Europe, and we just came home from NAMM, which is probably the biggest show in the world. But being in Europe and being here in Barcelona is the closest that we get to that. It is not as music industry oriented, but us as a microphone manufacturer, we don't take sides. We just make microphones that are good for anyone who wants to listen. That could be a house of worship, it could be rock and roll, or it could be broadcast like here, the DPA microphone inside here.
You saw it here first, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, it is great to catch up with you. I wish you all the best for the show, and I'm sure we'll see you again next year.
I hope we will. Thank you.
Thank you, Bo.